In this video, we will see some sample certification questions. You can find this in my website. Please keep in mind that it is not a certification dumps. It's just a sample questions which will help you understand the pattern of questions. These questions might look simple and straightforward to you. Yes, you will get many similar type of questions in the actual exam. Some questions will have multiple answers. You may need to select all the best answers for those questions. Some scenario questions will be asked with a mapping that contain transformations. You may need to answer whether the mapping is valid or what would be the result set out of a transformation or what's the final mapping outcome. Some other questions will be there specific to PowerCenter tools. You should be familiar with the different windows and navigations in Mapping Designer, Workflow Designer, and Workflow Monitor. I think that will be easy for you since you are already playing around with those tools. Some of the sample questions are published by Informatica University. I'm pretty sure you will get one or two questions from this list. You can find these sample questions in my website. Check the video description for the link. Thank you for watching this video. Again, please like, subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.